on what interval is this function increasing? Goodness gracious me, right? So first of all, I think I'm just kind of thinking to myself here, whatever this guy looks like, maybe I shouldn't draw any scale yet. It's a negative number in front of x squared. That means it's going to look like this. Okay? So increasing is going to happen before this point. So basically I need to know when this happens. So when does that happen? Well, to know when that happens, I need to know the top coordinate. To do that, I need to put it in vertex notation. That's simple. So, or in vertex form. And I don't actually need to go all the way to vertex form, I just need the D, right? So let's take the time to do this. So again, we want to kind of put this in the format given by vertex notation. So we're going to take what am I doing? We're going to take minus x squared minus 4x plus 5. Let's take the minus 1 out the front. So minus, okay, x squared plus 4x plus 5. So now this guy in here, this has to be put in the form, as always, x plus d, oh my goodness, x plus d all squared plus k. And then this kind of central point is going to be at minus d. That's the crucial thing here, okay, right? Minus d is going to be, it's going to be like this. It's an incredibly bad picture. And it could be above the axis or below, depends on k. But I'm looking for minus d because that's going to tell me what I'm increasing on. So let's do this. So to match them up, it's not so bad, remember, because this thing, when I factor it out, is equal to x squared plus 2dx plus d squared plus k. So the hard part's always finding the k because the constant is kind of a mixture of d and k. So we find the linear piece first because it only involves the d. So in this case, what do I have? I have 4, I'll do it like this. 2d is equal to 4. Is that right? Yeah, so this guarantees that d is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So that means in this picture, and I don't know what the orientation is, but I do know the kind of the central point. So if I was to graph it, so I'm not even going to bother to put it in full vertex form, it's pointless. So I have, goodness, this is a bad picture, but I have something like this, right? What's true is this central position right there, that has to happen when x, the x coordinate, is equal to minus 2 now. So it could be above the x-axis or below the x-axis, who knows, it doesn't matter, right? The increasing is just about, well, the increasing property. So I'm done basically. I can see the following. This implies f is increasing on the largest interval it could be increasing on really is the interval that's minus infinity all the way up to this vertex, which is minus 2. And you can include minus 2, there's nothing wrong with that. The property of increasing still works.